Hey everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we're going to be doing something that we haven't done before on this channel. We're going to fry some fish, but we're going to fry them in the air fryer. It's going to be awesome and amazing. I can't wait. When I say I can't wait till it's done so I can taste these things. So let's go ahead and get into the cook. Okay, this is what we got, guys. We have, it's about a pound of some white cod. Alright, so all we're going to do with this, very nice piece, make sure to just rinse it off, pat it dry. There's still a little bit of moisture on here, but that's fine. So we're just going to cut this into little pieces. Whatever size you want is fine. I'm just cutting mine into pieces this size. Alright, just pieces like that. And what we're going to be using today, something new as well. It's going to be Louisiana fish fry. It's a seafood breading mix with a little kick of lemon. I'm going to throw some other herbs in here as well. But let's go ahead and get this into a bowl and get it seasoned up. Okay guys, we're just going to follow the instructions that's on the packet, which is about a half a cup for a pound. So we're just going to throw about a half a cup in there. Good to go. We're just going to throw our pieces of fish in here, just like that, and just get them breaded. Nice and breaded. And actually I got the a rack here that we're going to be setting them on. So make sure to get them nice and breaded. And just like that. Oh, I'm going to use a little more. And then throw them on a rack that has some ventilation underneath it as well, because we're going to let them sit for about 4 or 5 minutes or so. So I'm going to go ahead and season the rest of these and get them onto this rack and let them rest. We'll see you in a minute. Okay guys, they're all seasoned up. I actually had an extra piece. I just threw that in there, seasoned that up as well. This is what we got. There's now 6 pieces of braised, a little thinner, that's why. But anyway, so got that. Now what you're going to want to do, take a little bit of cooking spray, a little bit of olive oil. And this is just a spritz can. It's just, we're easily just gonna get it out here. There we go. So just a couple, well, there's not much oil in here. So just a few spritz on the bottom. Flip it and repeat. Okay, now we've got a little bit of oil on the top and the bottom. It's just going to help it crisp up. And don't worry, that's less than an eighth of a teaspoon. There's hardly no oil at all. There's just a few spritzes on the top and the bottom of each one. So we're going to let this sit for a few minutes, and then we'll meet you at the air fryer. Okay guys, here we are at the air fryer. Oven Elite. We've got our fish here, looking good. I actually just put them on another rack on the, on the right side. So anyway, let's put them in the middle here. We're going to pop it in. We're going to set this thing at 400 degrees. And we're going to give it 9 minutes. And we'll check it in 9 minutes. We'll see you then. Alright, there has been 9 minutes. Let's go ahead and take a look and see what we got so far. Okay. Alright, not too bad. So what we're going to do is just give it a, let me take it down here real quick, 180 degree rotation, just like that. And we're going to go ahead and throw it right back on the middle rack. And we're going to do 400 for another 9 minutes. See you then. Okay guys, there's another 9 minutes. Now I did check about 7 minutes in just to kind of take a peek and see what's going on, and threw them right back in, didn't add any minutes or anything. But here we are after 9 minutes and 9 minutes. So everything is looking really good, and they're done. But I like my fish a little crispier. These are getting to the point where they're just starting to be really crispy. So I'm going to pop them back in, and I'm going to go 400 again for another 5 minutes. I like my fish really crispy. All right, see you in 5 minutes. All right, guys, there's another 5 minutes undisturbed. Let's see what we got here. Let me just, that's what I'm talking about. There we go. We can get up on that. Those are crisp and very, well, we'll have to see how good they are. Anyway, I'm excited to try these, guys. We'll meet you at the cutting board. All right, guys, this is what we ended up with. I mean, just, it looks awesome because it is awesome. I have already tried it, but this is what we ended up with. You know, nice, crispy all the way around. I mean, perfectly cooked. And perfectly cooked, absolutely so. Let's go ahead and we'll wrap this thing up and bring it to the grand finale. See you in a minute. All right, we are finished with the cook. And I gotta say that it turned out really, really good. I don't know if I showed you guys, but I mean, this is what we got. Super crispy, awesome. Got the tartar sauce, got the lemon, you know. But for the Louisiana fish fry that I used, I should have put a lot more of my own seasonings in it. If you're going to use something from the store, next time I'll just make my own. But this is the first time attempt. Not bad, but I would definitely add my own stuff. I also want to give a big thanks, kind of some inspiration for this video, was my boy, my friend Kirby over at Cooking with Kirby. I'm going to leave his link in the description below. Make sure to go check his channel out. He's doing a lot of good stuff. Superstar on the rise. And make sure to check out these videos. There'll be some videos over here, maybe a video over here. Also check the iCard up top. If you're new to the channel, please think about subscribing if you like the content. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of these, and we'll catch you on the next cook. Thanks for watching.